Good morning and welcome to the VSA Morning Miner. It's Tuesday, the 27th of September, and Paul is back from his long weekend. Paul, how are you doing today?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you, fine, and just got the bag packed here so I can head down to Cornwall for today.
Excellent. Right, there's quite a bit of news today. Where do you want to start?
Well, let's start with Shanghai Mining Club member and Brazil gold explorer Cerrado Gold. Latest drilling results out on their Monte do Carmo project in Tocantins State, Brazil. But these drilling results on a satellite discovery zone to the main deposit, this zone called the Gogo do Anca target. It's important for two reasons. First of all, it's not within the current mine plan toward feasibility, but with these grades as released today, it may very well be included in the feasibility study at this point. We're looking at grades like 25 meters at 3.4 grams gold from 56 meters depth, 12.5 meters at 3.4 grams, 11 meters at 5.4 grams from 93 meters. So with results like those, it won't take too much in order to put a significant near-surface high-grade component into the mine plan because it is very close by the existing deposit.
Yeah, and Cerrado's share price has taken a bit of tumble with sort of Gold Junior's action. So I think consensus is for EBITDA of about $15 million, which on a market cap of sort of, I think, 80 or 60 is not too onerous. And one of the things we like about it is all the exploration upside, which isn't really valued on in that sense if the market cap's only sort of 4 times EBITDA.
Right, it's essentially being priced at the value of the operating mine in Argentina itself and gives no real material value to this Brazil project.
Yeah, exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Let's move on. I think there's an announcement from Horizonte Minerals.
Yes, that's an interesting bit, is that the Brazilian government has declared its Araguaia ferronickel project to be a project and deposit of strategic importance. And what that means is that it receives a priority time allocation among the bureaucracy and the politicians as far as making sure, or makes it a poster child, I guess, for the economic development agenda around as far as Brazil is concerned for the future. It is also an important size deposit as well in the ferronickel space on the global stage. So if anything that Brazil can do in order to essentially smooth that process, because they are in construction phase now at Araguaia, in order to bring it on time and within as close to budget as they can, the better.
Yep. Okay, let's stick with London. I think Pensana has announced its ESG strategy today.
Yes, they did. They put out their formalized in writing what their ESG strategy is. Pensana being the London quoted a rare earth mine and magnet processing integrated company with a mine in development for Angola. These sustainability and goals are intended for the completion by 2040. So we hope that with putting it in writing will solidify the mines in order to go forward on that.
Yeah, I mean, ESG has been part of their whole approach to things since they started, and getting green bond accreditation earlier in the year shows that, I mean, they already had a pretty robust strategy. So this just sets it out. And anything else, Paul?
No, because my computer just dropped me off of my sheet here. So,
Well, I think we had Atlantic Lithium started trading on the ASX yesterday, so opened up new set of investors that can get involved on that. And the whole strategy is to get an Australian type multiple on this project rather than the pretty cheap valuation that we talked about the other day on the back of their PFS publication.
very good, very good, and it should add extra trading volume on a daily basis too, with such a powerful project like this one. That statement that it came out with as far as returns is concerned just a few days ago, over 200% IRR. No reason at all why that shouldn't get built.
Yeah. Okay, Paul. We'll leave it there, and we'll try to continue recording as we get ourselves down to Cornwall.
Yep, we'll try it on a fully remote basis in Cornwall tomorrow.
Thanks, Paul. Cheers.
Very good.